Solarino Beach Cleaner. The Solarino Beach Cleaner is a unique combination of a powerful tracked-mobile robot with cutting-edge solar technology. The Solarino Beach Cleaner, like its name implies, is based on 2 electric motors and powered by fully isolated AGM batteries and a solar panel. It earns its status as the first eco-friendly, remote-controlled beach cleaning machine functioning regardless of terrain and capable of removing rubbish and foreign matter clogging up your beach. It towers above all devices of its kind by virtue of its full reliance on electrical power, as well as its solar energy source, and its stunning efficiency as it goes about its duties. The Solarino works in complete silence. It is a buzzing, industrious, and efficient cleaning machine that possesses isolated gel batteries, a remote control capable of completely configuring the device, a powerful swinging back-rear arm, and a tow hook for towing applications. The Solarino also comes with a powerful back rake and a rear power joint tow capable of handling loads that are more than 1,000 kilograms.
Aximus One. The Aximus One was developed by a group of students from the University of Dalarna in their quest to create the most efficient vehicle. The Aximus One has been battle-tested in the Delspo electric competition and is made up of primarily aluminum alloy, which gives it its lightweight and speed. Power is produced by 4 12-volt batteries and equipped with an electric motor with a power of 500 watts. This speedster can travel 2 miles in a breathtaking 20 minutes and only consuming 0.75 watts an hour per mile. Rinspeed Snap. The Rinspeed Snap is not a simple car. Without a doubt, it's a car of the future. Produced by a Swedish company, this vehicle comes with sensors and a highly advanced navigation system, which makes car travel a breeze. Literally, all you need to do is set a destination and travel with your feet up, enjoying the passing scenery. In addition to this, the Rinspeed Snap also functions as a transformer with 2 main components, a skateboard platform and the pot module. This vehicle is powered by a ZF electric motor, which gives it a range of 38 to 69 horsepower and a maximum speed of 50 miles per hour, and it can run for up to 60 miles on a single charge. Rinspeed Oasis. The Rinspeed Oasis serves as both a means for travel as well as an entertainment center. In order to avoid distractions and ensure in-transit safety, the Rinspeed Oasis also comes with a self-piloting option when the driver feels tired. As a part of the entertainment system, the Rinspeed Oasis comes with a keyboard, a little garden, as well as a comfortable chair, TV, and table. The Oasis is also equipped with an electric drive and a large solar battery on the roof to supply power for entertainment, while its controlled rear-wheel tires provide excellent maneuverability during transit.
AGBOT 2. The AGBOT 2 robot may be an innovative solution for the global food crisis, at least if it will be fully deployed all over the globe. Generally, the AGBOT detects and eliminates weeds on farmland, reducing the plant competition for sunlight and nutrients. Moreover, the AGBOT can also help apply vital nutrients and fertilizers to crops, making sure that they reach their full growth potential. In addition to this, the AGBOT 2 is also capable of gathering information about crops and weather conditions, which helps the farmers make informed decisions in order to maximize productivity. It has been estimated that the AGBOT can help save the Australian farming sector more than $1.3 billion a year by eliminating weeding costs and improving crop yield.